In VLSM-based internetworks, we sometimes need to choose a new subnet number for an existing internetwork. So what do? In such situations, we must be careful about choosing new subnet numbers. To avoid overlapping, we need to follow a specific procedure. Based on our design requirements, and more specifically, on the number of hosts that are required in the subnet, we first pick the subnet mask. Then, we calculate the subnet number of the classful network by using the mask found at the first step. Next, we calculate the subnet broadcast address and range of addresses for each subnet identified at step 2. After comparing the potential subnets and address ranges to the existing subnets and address ranges, we remove the subnets that overlap with an existing one. From the list found at step 2, pick a subnet number that does not overlap with any existing subnets. Now, let's try to understand the addition of a new subnet to an existing design through an example. Consider a classful network of 172.16.0.0. Now, as part of step 1, we add a /23 subnet mask length to this design. Then, as part of step 2 and step 3, we find the possible /23 subnets with their subnet number, broadcast addresses, and range of addresses. A list of the first 5 possible /23 subnet masks is displayed on the screen. In step 4, we compare the potential subnets and address ranges to the existing subnets and address ranges. In this example, we find that the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th subnets in the table overlap with the existing subnets for the network. Finally, we pick the subnet number that does not overlap with any existing subnet. When multiple subnet numbers are available for use, you can choose the numerically smallest or largest subnet as required. If the 0 subnet is available, you can use it as the numerically smallest subnet. However, you should avoid selecting the 0 subnet if the network uses classful routing protocols, or if the routers in the network are configured with the global configuration command no IP subnet 0. In this example, you cannot use the first 4 subnets listed in the table if 0 subnets cannot be used. So you're only left with the 5th subnet.